So like right here, you see all these leaves? You see all those leaves right there? Go underneath. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what you caught, buddy. Let's bring it down. Bunch of leaves. So you get gravel, sediment. Whoa! Look at that bad boy.
And another one.
You got two?
Yeah, you got.
Nice job, boy. Oh my goodness.
And another one here.
You caught a trifecta? Let's see. Hey, buddy.
Yes, picture.
That's a beautiful crawfish right there. Crawfish. Some people call them crawdad. Crawdads. All right, you ready, Xavier?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for the catch, buddy. There he goes.